Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I am trying out MAC's new foundation. If you have noticed, I did the big chop. I just, one night went into my bathroom and just started cutting my hair. If you know me, this isn't anything new. I have been cutting my hair here and there every 2 to 3 years since, I want to say, middle school. I'll grow it out and then I'll just get that itch to cut. But I know that's not what you're here for. I know that you're here to get the first impressions, get my opinion on this foundation. But before I jump into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. So I have the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powder Foundation and I have it in NC42. I swatched this inside the store. So I matched myself. Hopefully this works because the other foundation I have is NC45, which is slightly darker, but store lights can be a little bit off, but I'm hoping this is a good match. But this is how many? 1 fluid ounce, which is typical foundation percentage, and this is what the bottle looks like. Let me tell you how much it retails for. I got my handy dandy receipt right here. It retails for $46, okay? And it's available in 56 shades, 33 skincare ingredients, including 10% hyaluronic acid solution. It's supposed to even and blur imperfections, so we want to see what that do. And it's supposed to be water, sweat, and humidity resistant. I'm in Houston, so that's definitely something that us girlies need out here. So it says that you can go to the nearest MAC store and get a free 10-day sample in case you just want to try it out before spending your coins. So it said for a plumper, smoother, and more radiant skin. Clinical testing on 28 panelists after using the product once. Okay, so gonna dive right into it. I haven't done anything to my brows. I haven't moisturized or put any type of primer on. So for primer, I'm gonna use the LYS Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. And I'm not really concerned about my brows today. I'm gonna do them, but not on camera. So my brows are not the best, but it is what it is. So as you already know, when I do foundation trials, I do one side with the sponge, the other side with the brush. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do in today's video. So I have my Sephora strawberries and cream, or peaches and cream sponge. So I'm gonna take the Morphe E65 foundation brush and for this side, and then use the sponge on this side. So that was like 2.5 pumps. I find that if I put the foundation lower where I need all of the coverage, it's a little bit easier and I use less product because I can just take the remainder and put it on my forehead. So this is the side with the brush. It is definitely radiant. And I think I got a good match. Yeah, it's as best as I can get it. So now it's time to use the sponge. So this is the side with the sponge. As you can tell, there's more coverage on this side with the brush, but I like the way they both blend on my face. I could use a little bit more for coverage. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So far so good on the shade. So I'm just gonna take one full pump and just use the brush. A little right here. Well, all my dark spots is that's where I need the most coverage. As you can see, you can definitely see the difference with using the brush. And if I feel like I use too much, I can always go back in with the sponge. Okay, so I did the rest of my face, just no lashes because I'm really not going anywhere special. I'm just gonna do some studying at Starbucks, and so I don't need lashes on. But when I did buy the foundation, MAC had certain items on sale for 30%. So I picked up a highlighter. It is the Ultra Diminished Skin Finish in Oh Darling. So why not show it? This was pretty pricey. So it retails for $42. 30% off was $12.60. So it still was like right at $30. I almost told her, hey, put that back, but it is what it is. So this is what it looks like. It's a stunning color. It kind of looks extra golden. So I'm gonna go in with like a light hand. No, it didn't pick up anything. Okay. It's not as, let's see, as glowy as I'm thinking it's gonna be. Kind of tricked me. It's there, but it's like a subtle glow. Or maybe I'm blind. I don't know. I guess it doesn't, it's just like a luminizer. It's not a highlight, but it is stunning. But I just thought it would give me a little bit more pigment. Let's see now. I really, kind of. It's buildable. I'll give you that much. I'm gonna keep it because it's not one of those harsh type of luminizers slash highlighters. Yeah, it's there. I just think I'm tripping. But so far so good on the foundation. Normally I don't do wear tests in my foundation videos, but I'm gonna do it this time. I feel like with the wear test you can really see what it looks like after a couple hours because giving first impressions, yeah, my face is looking fresh, so the foundation looks good. But what does it look like 2 hours later, 3 hours later? I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like after a couple of hours and then close out the video. Okay, so this is the foundation after wearing it for hours. My eyes have been, a little watery because my allergies, but I just wanted to come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Once I went into my bathroom, I saw that I was putting on the luminizer and it was there. It's just that a lot of times looking in this mirror, it be playing tricks on me and I'll be putting on more than what I really need to put on. But all in all, I like this foundation. Honestly, recently the foundations I have been trying out have been very, very, very good. And I'm really shocked. Very much so shocked. So, yeah. Have you guys tried the foundation? If you have, let me know down below. Again, this is the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powdered Foundation. And yeah, I like this. I need to clean the little thing. That's the only thing I don't like about these pumps is how dirty they get. But I mean, it is what it is. This is a stunning, foundation. I see MAC is trying to make a comeback, introducing something new, and this here, giving it 2 thumbs up. Like I said, highly recommended based on, me rocking it for the amount of time that I've worn it. Just remember, it's $46. You can get it from Mac store, Mac online, and I think you can get it from Ulta. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.